Hello soulmates, in less than 5 minutes, I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this simple Boubou gown, then transform it from a plain gown into a beautiful elevated piece with flower appliques. This is definitely something you'll be interested in, so hit that subscribe button and let's get started. I have my 2 yards of fabric here with my flower appliques, which we'll be using for the design. This fabric is about 2 yards and 5 inches, so I'll just call it 2 yards. Now, first of all, I folded my fabric into 2 equal parts, then I folded it again, making it 4, because we'll be cutting both the front and the back piece together. Now for the neckline, I'm making use of 7 inches for the neckline, but I'll mark 8 inches because as you can see at the edge of the fabric, there is something written like made in Italy. So instead of using ½ inch, I'll be using 1 inch to hold the shoulder so that made in Italy will be wiped out. Reason why I made use of 8 inches, okay? Now I'll be making use of the whole width because we are not cutting the sleeves separately. We are cutting both the dress and the sleeves together. Now for the width, I marked 3 inches. Then, like I said, I came down by 8 instead of 7 because when I hold the shoulder by 1 inch, I have my 7 inches back. Now, for the width of the sleeve, your armhole, I came down by 9 inches after that black written thing at the edge. Then I added extra 1 inch for allowance, all right? For the body measurements, I'm making use of my hip measurement divided by 4, which is 10.5. So I marked 10.5 and I added extra 4 inches. Then I added extra 1 for sewing allowance. So 10.5 plus 4 will give us 14.5 plus 1 inch sewing allowance, which is 15.5. So I'm marking 15.5 all round. Okay, I'll just join it together and we'll cut it out. For this part that connect the sleeve to the dress, just give it a little curve so that it will not be looking pointy after sewing, and then you cut it out. So these are my flower appliques. It came in rows, so I'm just cutting it out one by one so I will know how to place them. So I was done cutting it out like this, and we're just going to set it aside and let's concentrate on the back neckline because I want the back neckline to be deeper than the front. But if you don't want yours to be deeper than the front, if you want your neckline to be the same length, please you can skip this part. So for the back neckline, instead of the normal 7 I used for the front, I came down by extra 2 inches, making it 9 inches in total, okay, because I want the back deeper than the front. So I just adjusted the neckline and I went ahead to cut it out, just like you see me doing. Now, when we are done, I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine and secure the neckline. And after securing the neckline, I'll join the shoulders together. So at this point, I was securing the neckline and joining the shoulders together. So I had to get the front. Please, before placing the appliques, because at this point, we are about placing the appliques, please make sure to iron your Boubou before placing the appliques because I later went ahead to iron it before I started sewing. So for placing the appliques, after placing it, I used my pins to hold it. You can either sew it with your hand or use your machine to sew it or make use of gum, whichever one works for you. When I was done, this is what the outfit looks like. So will you be trying this? I would love you to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. See you on my next tutorial.